what do we do?
Now, after adding 1 cup or half a cup of glue,
I need to get something.
I gotta add 1 more cup.
What? To mine, please?
Both.
Can you do mine first now? Since you tried Tristan's first.
Alright, so there's 1 cup of glue.
What is something that we can stir with?
You're,
A spoon! Tristan, we don't need to stir it. We can use it our hands.
Why? No, we're gonna use spoons.
So it can stick to the spoon.
So we don't get them stuck to ourselves. Like, we don't want it stuck to us.
Daddy, the paper, the glue. There's a glue on the side though.
Oh, you already put mine?
so,
Whoa.
1 cup of glue.
Another cup of glue.
Alright.
Guys, this is the worst idea ever.
Then we gotta come over here and get some baking soda.
Baking soda.
We have baking soda somewhere.
Dad, did anybody notice you?
Wait, Dad, didn't we need cornstarch?
Yeah, I think it's the same concept. Alright, so I don't have baking soda, I have cornstarch.
Yeah, just use cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Alright, so just hold this phone.
Hello. There, me sister. She picking her nose. She likes to eat her boogers. Hear me, Dad. You got Red Bull.
Ooh, that's nice.
She like cornstarch.
Tristan, shut up.
Suck my ass.
Shut up.
Oh.
And now we stare at Daddy.
We got ice cream. We got ice cream.
No, we didn't. You know, what kind of song am I going to make?
Alright. Now,
We add
what
red.
color do you want, baby?
Remember I said red.
Red?
What color am I gonna get? Yellow.
You're getting green, Tristan.
Just a show. See your thingy? Okay, she got ice cream. Me too. I got ice cream too.
Alright, so we go 1, 2, 3.
Then we stir it.
Blood.
Yes. Start stirring.
Oh my God, Tristan!
She got pink.
No.
And I get green.
This is so cool, Daddy.
Keep mixing.
Wait, Daddy, this is actually not red. Look, it's actually pink.
Here's my green. My son's trying to for the hawk. Here, Dad.
Now, you kids want to mix it well.
Oh my God.
Keep mixing it, baby. It's nowhere near ready to go.
It actually looks like slime, Daddy. We're kind of making a mess here. And then we can put all of our stuff in.
Get it all off the walls.
Oh, shit.
Is mine on the walls too?
A little bit.
Do I have to take that off?
Yeah, get some right there.
This looks so cool, right, Tristan? Tristan, look at mine. I want to see yours. Oh, that was cute. Daddy, does all the shine, the lines? Oh, I got glue on my finger. Whoa.
Mine is too like a marble green color.
Mine turned into this. What the?
Frick is that?
What is that?
Oh, hold on.
Oh, damn, dude. Use your hands.
I was
Not your toes.
Use my toes. And there you go. The fuck?
Tristan, did Daddy say watch your mouth?
It was by accident. I got green.
Where do I put my spoon?
In there, because you're about to use it again.
Tristan, mine was dipping. Mine is going like all the way in.
It's alright. It's alright.
I don't like it. Tristan, don't play slime.
Mix that in really well.
Here you go, Dad.
Dad, is that activator?
Yes.
Ugh. Tristan, put it in your activator. Ooh, it actually looks like slime. But it's not ready yet because it looks so plain, right, Tristan?
Yes.
That's why we have ingredients with it. The ingredients. Okay.
Does it feel weird?
Yeah, it's nowhere near ready.
You're just feeling glue and oob. Wait, not oob, but
Glue and activator. That's what you mean, Tristan?
yeah.
Ooh. Dad, am I almost done, Daddy? Is this all done?
Oh, just about.
Dad, what are these? What are these?
These are for the contact solution. Sorry, people.
I'm all done stirring mine, but I'm gonna continue stirring.
No, Tristan, you have to test if it looks like slime.
Dad said no, it's not ready yet.
Did it stick to you?
Tristan, you're still stirring. You have to wait until it gets hard, Daddy.
No, that's oobleck. I think.
This is not going well, right, Tristan?
Mine is.
Mine is too. See? Daddy, I told you it's just pink. Daddy, look, it's pink.
Show them my face.
I see it, baby.
It's supposed to be red.
Show them my face. What the hell was that? Sounded like Godzilla just took a shit in a volcano. Then it erupts. It's true. Sounds like a volcano.
Daddy, why are you not quoting me?
Look at this. It's like all white and green.
Just look.
Look at my slime. Well, look at my non-finished slime.
Not finishing my slime either.
Look out.
Oh, I got more corn storage. Oh my god. So powdery.
This is actually really fun. Wait, Daddy. Okay.
Get it off the walls, buddy. It's a big spot right there.
That's what I'm doing, right, Daddy?
Okay, got it all off the walls.
Okay, me too. My hand's tired from stirring.
Oh, well. You wanted to make slime, so we're trying.
Now do you know how to work it, Daddy?
Not yet.
Ooh, Tristan, look, and now it actually looks like slime.
Thank you.
What's that? Is that activator?
Wait, What's this? We already had an activator.
Don't worry about that. That's not an activator that I'm putting in there.
Oh.
If this stuff doesn't work, which I don't understand why, I'm following the directions as is. Where he's going?
Daddy, look. My son is getting really well.
What's that?
Please tell me that's not wet slime. Please tell me that's not wet.
See, I don't understand how the people on the damn YouTubes are making this stuff perfectly without making a mess like we are.
Time. This is our first time making it.
Just spray some of this in there. See if this
No, Dad, we're supposed to. Oh, we are.
I think you need to shake it up.
Try that.
Daddy.
Mix it.
Okay. This is gonna be fluffy slime, Tristan.
I know.
I like.
Baby, mix it in.
Why does it smell weird down here?
Because that stuff right there you're using is shaving cream. That's what it said to use. That is not slime.
It's for me. Dad, it's working for me actually. Look how good it's doing.
Yep.
Tristan's.
What?
Yours is now looking like slime.
Okay.
Wait, we're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Set different colors. You have a marble color, and I just have a seat color. Wait, my slime color. It makes
Yeah, when we make the actual slime, when it turns into slime, we'll start adding all the other stuff. Tristan, hold this.
Okay.
No, Daddy, I'm putting mine like this.
That's a waste.
Baby, that's enough.
That's enough. Yeah, that's
Tristan
enough
has
then.
a lot.
No, I don't.
No, Daddy, we're supposed to use the whole thing.
That's for a bigger tray, baby. Now mix all that together.
What's enough then? Take the phone.
Oh my God, Tristan. Yours is going to turn better than mine. Oh, Dad, mine's turning to hot pink. Tristan's turning into hot green. See? Is that more? Just a little bit?
No.
Daddy, is it time to put ingredients in now?
No, it's not even slime yet. It's just a big bottle of slush because that's what the directions told us to do.
To make a slush? What is Grandma doing?
Okay,